Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you all are doing well. So, I saw many of you that you are not able to upload your image, your scanned image, and your scanned signature to UPSC online website while filling your online application form. So, today I'm just going to help you a little bit so that you can upload easily your scanned image and signature to the online application form of civil service examination. So, let us start. So, before starting, let us consider 3 points that are very important for uploading online image and signature. The first point is the width of signature as well as photo should be more than 350 and less than 1000. Alright, and the second thing is the height of image as well as signature should be more than 350 and less than 1000. Alright, and the third point is both images and signature should be more than 20 KB and less than 300 KB. Alright, so I hope you got this point very well. So let us start how to do or how to resize our image in this required or desired form to upload it to the online application form. So the first step is we have to select the image and then right click on it, and then we have to open the same with Microsoft Paint. So as you guys can see it here, I have opened my image in Microsoft Paint. Now you can see that width and height of image is 217 by 325. It should be more than 350 and the size of image is 39 KB. Alright, so first we will click on resize, and then we're going to click on pixels, and then we're going to untick the maintain aspect ratios, and then we have to choose the desired pixels. As I said you that it should be more than 350, so I'm going to select 400 and 500. You can select any, but it should be less than 1000 and more than 350. Then click OK, then click on save. After clicking on save, you can see that size is increased and the pixels also increased. Close it and select that file, open. This image is selected. Now it's time to upload signature. So again right click on signature, open it with Paint. I'm doing it here, you can follow my steps. Again you can see the width and height are 317 by 150 and the size is 15 KB. So in order to increase the size, we'll click on pixels and tick on maintain aspect ratio, and then we're going to increase the size. I'm selecting here 800 by 400 as it should be less than 1000 and more than 350. So 800 by 400. Click OK. After doing this, click OK. After clicking OK and after saving this file, you can see that the size of signature is increased to 46 KB and pixels, that is width and height, are also increased. Select it, click open. Now it's time to upload the scanned identity card. So upload your scanned identity card in PDF format and then click upload images. Scanned identity, click upload images. Now after clicking upload images, if you have done these things right, then your images must going to be uploaded in the next step. So as in my case, I have successfully done it. So congratulations guys, you have learned how to upload your scanned images and signature to the online application form very easily. I hope you find this method very useful. So please share this video among your friends, whoever is not able to upload, and please help him out and please help me too, and please subscribe this channel. Thank you very much guys, and if you want or if you have any doubt, just please ask me in the comment box. I will surely help you out. Thank you very much guys, and all the best for your future examinations.